Hi guys, Mike here. Today I'm gonna show you how I use Pabbly Connect to minimize the work in businesses that we are trying to help. So basically, this is a small company that they do delivery. People order something by WhatsApp, and they have a team that they're gonna be checking the whole day all the information by WhatsApp, and they will send it to the restaurants or to the drivers, and at the end of the day they will put all the information. They will pull it from WhatsApp to put it in an Excel file and do the report to get the accounting. What we're gonna do is remove a lot of work using some automation, and for that we are gonna use Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I don't want to make this video so long. Let me get started. We need a few stuff here. The first is Pabbly Connect, which is this amazing platform. Will help you to connect different applications super easy. Okay, we also need a website with a form that I already built. We need the Google Sheets file, which is ready too, and we need Trello because I'm gonna have a Trello board here where we will be adding cards. Okay, I'm gonna explain each part of the process later. Before I continue, I want to show you Pabbly inside. This is how it looks, and this is how we are gonna connect each step of the automation process. Basically, this is the trigger. This is what's gonna start the next actions. So for example, here I can see when people submit a form using Elementor, we are gonna create a card in Trello, and later we will add a new row in a Google Sheets file. Okay, so first let me show you the website is here. With this website, what we want is people can see what is the cost of the package of the services. So it's gonna my friend businesses in Puebla. Okay, and we just put the address for the delivery, and here we can see automatically what is the distance and what is the price. Okay, the next, this is what is gonna be sent. Let's say tacos. That's my name. Telephone number. I can add a picture. I will not add a picture for this example. And then that's Juan is gonna receive the tacos, and the telephone number is this. Okay, we go next. We just need to confirm that we actually want the service, and we will send this. Okay, so let me show you how all this is getting done. Here in Pabbly Connect, our trigger is the form submission in Elementor, and how we are going to connect the website and Pabbly is by a webhook. Okay, we have the code here, we copy it, and I'm going to show you how I build my form. Okay, it's a multi-step forms. Here when I click so I can edit, we have different options, and this is webhook. Okay, then I just paste whatever code I got from Pabbly here, and that's all. That will connect Pabbly with Elementor. Okay, here I can see once I already sent the first form for testing, I will be able to match the information, so I can confirm my form is working perfectly. Then we have the Trello board. Okay, so let me tell you what is this about. For Trello, what we want to do is keep the records of every order, and be able to assign to a different steps. Let's say all the new orders will come to this board, to this stage, and then we will be able to move it later. So for some orders that they have problems, now what these guys do is they just talk by WhatsApp, but they don't have any record for any special situation, like a issue with money or issue with the delivery problems. So we have different sections here where we will be able to add different orders. Okay, so if you see, I already have my tacos order here, but let me go back and show you what I did. So once I connect Trello with Pabbly, then I will choose the what is the action. So for me, it's create a card, and I will be able to match also. Well, first, I need to choose which board, which is this board is called Flotilla. We can see here. Let me close. Okay, Flotilla, and then I will be able to match the name. Okay, so this information it will be taken by from the Elementor form, the name and the people. I can choose here. You can see I can choose for the name of the board. I can choose anything that came from the Elementor form as a value. Okay. Then in the description, for this case, I want every part of the order is attached to the description of the card, so all the details will be there all the time. Okay. Position in the top, so every time we add a card, it's gonna be at the top of the section. And these other things I didn't touch. Okay. Again, once you send a test, you will be able to see here, so you can make sure it's working perfectly. Okay, and the last step is Google Sheets. We will be adding a new row every time we have a new request from the clients. So this is, we can already see tacos. This is what I'm sending, tacos. This is the address from where I'm gonna send it. This is where the tacos are going, and this is the cost of the delivery. We could add another cell for the distance, but I didn't do this time. So my name, telephone number, the number of the guy who is gonna receive the tacos, and the telephone number. Okay. All this information is gonna be here. People don't need to take it from WhatsApp and paste it here to do the accounting every day. All the information will be here always, automatically pasted after people do the request on the website. Okay. And here one more thing I did is not really related to Pabbly Connect, but it's something I did, is I added the custom checklist to every time I add a new order, a new card to this Trello board. Every card will have this checklist. Okay, so this is just to add some steps for the management of the information. Okay, so basically this is how we come from filling a form where we want to order something to have the information sent to a Trello board where we can later revise and analyze the information and do some commenting, and we can also have it on an Excel sheet. And this Trello board is very important for me because here you can add the users. Let's say you can add the drivers. So when there is a problem, I will move to the card to this section that says problem, and then you can start typing, what happened. And then the driver will be able to type here, and they can upload a picture. So, Trello is just one of many other tools that we can use, but I love it. It's free, it's very easy to use. And this is a way to keep information always in one place, easy to access. Otherwise, if you have everything on WhatsApp, you might have 10 drivers, and it will be very hard to find the right information at the right time. Okay. So Pabbly Connect, super amazing. I use it most of the times. One thing that I like a lot is, well, there are many things that I like a lot from Pabbly Connect, but the first one is that they have a very nice free plan. And for the tasks, there are many tasks that are considered free. That means there is no cost to do those tasks. So for example, the free plan of Pabbly includes 100 tasks. But if you find an automation that is free, you can actually do many more than 100, okay? There is no limit there. And they can connect with almost every platform in the market. And they have a lifetime deal. That means you can buy once and a really nice price and you can use forever. So you should definitely check it out. That's all for me today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just let it in the comments and I will try to reply as soon as possible. See you.